Hi there, students. To burn the midnight oil. Okay, this means to work very hard, particularly studiously, and particularly late into the night. So, um, I've been burning the midnight oil to get my doctoral thesis finished. Okay, he was burning the midnight oil to finish the project. It's like to pull an all-nighter or to pull several all-nighters in a row. This is the idea of to burn the midnight oil, to work late into the night, to sleep very little and study lots. So students tend to burn the midnight oil before exams. It's a very common thing. If you've got a project that or something you've got to hand in the morning, then you're going to pull an all-nighter. You're going to burn the midnight oil. There's even a lovely synonym here as well, elucubrate, a very formal word with the meaning of to burn the midnight oil. So when was the last time you burned the midnight oil? So let's see the origin. Well, in the past, we didn't have electricity. There was only oil lamps for light, and then if people were working at night, they were burning the midnight oil. Okay, so this is the idea of to burn the midnight oil. As to formality, I'd probably give it a 4 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation, use it in a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing, okay, but no more. Okay, so to burn the midnight oil, to study very hard or to work very hard late into the night and sleep very little, particularly for a period of time. So I think that's probably enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Burn the midnight oil.